In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix AutoCAD mouse lagging, slow and jerky movements when drawing. If you've ever been frustrated by sluggish mouse response while you're putting together an intricate design, this guide will help you tweak a few settings to potentially solve the problem and make your design experience much smoother. To begin, let's head over to your command line in AutoCAD. The command line is an essential tool where you can directly input commands to control various functions of the software. It's usually located at the bottom of your screen in AutoCAD. Once you're there, type the command 3dconfig and press Enter on your keyboard. This action will bring up the Graphics Performance dialog box. This box is pivotal, as it gives you access to several settings that can optimize how AutoCAD interacts with your computer's hardware to enhance performance. Within the Graphics Performance dialog box, you'll see an option for enabling hardware acceleration. What hardware acceleration does is it shifts some of the load from your CPU to your GPU, assuming your system has one. This often results in smoother performance because the GPU is much better suited to handle graphics rendering, which is crucial when you're working on complex CAD projects. Try enabling hardware acceleration if it isn't already. You might notice an immediate improvement with the responsiveness of your mouse and the fluidity of your drawings. However, if you enable hardware acceleration and still notice issues, or if new problems arise, you may want to disable it. There are instances when certain hardware setups experience compatibility issues that can limit performance rather than enhance it. This step is essentially about testing how your particular system reacts, so feel free to toggle between enabling and disabling as necessary to see which configuration offers the best performance for you. Remember, this setting should ideally remain enabled, as it typically offers a boost to performance, but don't hesitate to leave it off if you find that your system operates more smoothly without it. This suggestion hinges on the specific hardware configuration you have, and sometimes a bit of experimentation is key in finding the perfect setup for your unique environment. Tackling mouse lag can seem daunting, but these steps aim to clarify how easily you can access and adjust these settings. By following this guide, you're taking proactive steps in ensuring that AutoCAD runs smoothly, allowing you to focus more on your design work and less on technical issues. So go ahead and give it a try. Set your preferences, test them out, and find what works best for you. Here's to smoother, more efficient drawing experiences in AutoCAD.